What's going on, you beautiful people? My name is Dan Evans, and today I'm going to talk to you about that beautiful word, checklists. Eggs, bacon, milk. It's the wrong checklist. Batman, Lego, fuck. As animators, we have a lot of things that we've got to think about. Checklists are one of those things that are going to help us to produce the best work that we possibly can without forgetting those small little bits. Before you start any animation, planning is extremely important. Make sure that you go to the assignment list, have a look at what the assignment has asked you to do, and just make a simple note of it, because the last thing you want to do is forgetting to upload work that has been asked for. Mentors are slightly different in their Q&As. They require different things. Whilst you're in a Q&A, always handy to have a notebook. I made a note of the 12 principles because there's 12 of them and I'm not going to remember every single one of them. I needed that. It's always a good idea just to make small little notes like this and just either put them onto a whiteboard if you've got one, or just dot it around on post-it notes around your monitor where you can have the 12 principles there. So while you're doing other work, they're always in front of you, so subconsciously you'll learn them. Critiques are incredible for us to learn as animators. If your mentor has asked you to make a change for next week before you upload, if you write it down, you're going to be able to remember that a lot quicker than just trying to remember what had been said the week before. Write down your critiques that you get. Just write down the notes that your mentor has given you. Making checklists is extremely important, and if you haven't done so, I strongly advise you guys start right now.